Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another live forex trading video for you guys based on my secret market scanner. In this video I'm going to share with you another signal that was given by my secret market scanner. According to my scanner, silver was a buy for the day. I took this trade on live on my client's account. So let me show you how much I made in my client's account. I made $291 in this client's account. He started with $2,000 and his account is now up more than $3,557, and it's been only around week and few days. So let me show you another client. This client made $169 and he also started with $2,000 and his account is sitting around $2,898, and it's been only few days that he has joined us. Let me show you another. This client made around $159 and he also started with $2,000 a few days back. So yeah, this is how I trade for my client's account, and you can also make money if you are willing to join me. There is nobody in the entire internet that can provide you these kind of returns. So I think you should think about it and let me know when you are ready to join me. And if you are willing to trade yourself, then you can grab my secret market scanner. You can email support@FxChildsplaySignals.com to grab a copy of your secret market scanner. And if you don't have time and you are busy with something else, then you can always contact me and I can trade your account. You can join my free Telegram channel and contact me there. The link is in the description. So that's it for this video. I really appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This really motivates me to make more videos for you guys, because the reason to make these kind of videos is only to motivate you. So please smash the like button. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.